Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduce, my name is Nurnaningsi. I will present my proposal with the title Using the Cake Application to Improve Student Speaking Skills. The main topics in this presentation are introduction, literature review, and research method. Straight to the introduction. Part A, background. Speaking in English is a person's skill to convey his wishes and thoughts to anyone verbally. Based on the observation of researchers at Man1 Polimandar, researchers found problems with students speaking in English, including students who did not know how to pronounce words in English correctly, like confidence and like vocabulary. In this modern era, technology is very important for use in everyday life. One example of an application for learning to speak is a cake application. Cake application is an application that can be used to learn English. There are several features in this application, such as watching short films and practicing speaking using dialogue. On that basis, the researcher took the title Using the Cake Application to Improve Student Speaking Skills. Next, identification of the problems in the study are: the first, the ability to speak English in grade 10 students is still low, and students have not been able to pronounce English properly and correctly. Next, researchers also limit the research variables, namely the use of the cake application and student perceptions. Researchers also make a problem formulation, namely, does the use of the cake application significantly improve the English speaking ability of the class 10 Man 1 Polymander students? And how are student perception of using the cake application as a learning medium? Next, based on the formulation of the problem that I have described earlier, the objectives of this research are: the first, to find out the significant use of the cake application in improving English speaking skill in class 10 Man 1 Polewali Mandar students, and to determine student perception of the use of the cake application as a learning medium. Next, there are two research benefits that are expected in this study, namely theoretical benefits and practical benefits. For its theoretical benefits as a reference and literature, and for practical benefits for researchers to get direct insight and experience on how to improve English speaking skills by using the cake application, for educators to be able to increase knowledge and contribute ideas how to improve student speaking skills through the cake application, and for students so that students are interested in learning English. Part 2, Literature Review. The study of research results related to this research. The first comes from Anissa Pitria et al. 2021, Implementation of Cake Application in Learning English Speaking Skills. The second is Nuraini and Windayanti 2020, Using Cake Application in Teaching Speaking to High School Students. And the third is Ayu Octavianita et al. 2022, the effectiveness of using cake application in improving student speaking skills. The differences between previous studies are in the place of conducting the research and the purpose of the research. What is new from this research is that previous research used qualitative research methods, while this study will use experimental quantitative research methods. Next, research framework. Definition of speak. Speaking is one of the skills that must be mastered by students while learning English. We can connect with other people by talking. Next, speaking skills. Speaking skills are essentially the ability to have and organize ideas logically and systematically, for them into linguistic codification, for example, according to their context and pronounce them fluently and clearly. Next, definition of cake application. Cake application is an application that can be used to learn English. Next, hypothesis. From the analysis and data obtained from observations, the temporary assumption is that the cake application can significantly improve the speaking skills of 10th graders at Man 1 Polyrimandar, and the cake application cannot significantly improve the speaking skills of 10th graders Man 1 Polyrimandar. Next, the third part is research methods. The type of research used in this research is quantitative research. This research design is an experimental research design intergroup comparison. Next, for the place and time the research was carried out at Man 1 Polyrimandar, Mapili District Polyrimandar Regency, Sulawesi Barat Provinsi. The research will be carried out in early August 2022 until December 2022. Furthermore, in the study, the population was class 10 Man 1 Polyrimandar, which consisted of 39 students. This sample determination used the total or saturated sampling. So the sample in this study were students of class 10 Man 1 Polyrimandar. For variable operational definition, the study entitled use of the cake application to improve student speaking skill, while one independent variable is cake application use, X, and the dependent variable is student speaking skill, Y. For the research procedure, research preparation, research implementation like pre-test, treatment, and post-test, and collecting data. At this stage, the research collects all the data obtained from observation, interviews, pre-test, and post-test results. For the research instrument, there are three kinds of instruments, namely gadget as a learning media that can download the cake application as well as pre-test and post-test. And the last, the data analysis technique used three tests, namely the data quality test, the classical assumption test, and the hypothesis test by using the SPSS application. I think that's all. Thank you.